Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So there's 3 reasons to be happy today. The first one, we are going to make a DIY video. Woohoo! Alright, the second one of my friend back in Riyadh, but now she moved in LA. She just passed her nursing licensure exam. Congratulations, girl! I am so proud of you. Her name is Lorelai and now she's moving to Arizona for her first contract. I am so proud of you. The third one and the most important one is we are still healthy, we still have food. With all this pandemic and coronavirus thing, we are not showing any symptoms at all. So let's be happy and thank God for that. And stay at home and follow the rules. So I am so excited today because it is a DIY video that I am going to share to you guys. To my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and watching my videos. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking this video. And please give me support by hitting that subscribe button, that bell icon to get notified. And if you end up liking this video, please give me thumbs up by hitting that like button. That is so awkward. So I know that I already posted this on my Facebook and Instagram account, but I want to share to you guys that finally, I was able to fix my YouTube channel. So a couple of days ago, I am not really happy with my content. It feels like it's everywhere, like it's a mess. But thanks to my husband, that is my #1 critic, and helped me to realize things and fix the problems by organizing my playlist. So now if you guys go to my playlist, you can now easily see and click the video that you want to watch. It is so organized now, guys, from DIY videos, mom's videos, travels videos, cooking videos, and etc. So okay, like what I said earlier, I am going to share to you guys the DIY videos today. So can you see the earrings that I am wearing right now? I made this. So we are going to make 3 designs of this. How to do it, I will show it to you right now.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. By thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
designs. Let's move to the next one. and do the last design. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you guys have suggestions or questions, please comment down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.